Hey there, ready to discover your dream home in Thane? We've got something special to show you today. Location, location, location. You're going to love how easy it is to get around from here. Now, let me tell you about the fun stuff. Tennis, anyone. Maybe you're more of a gym buff. We've got both. Plus a swimming pool that's perfect for those hot Mumbai days. And that's just the start. There are over 40 amenities to explore. Let's take a tour of 3 BHK sample flat with 1010 square feet of carpet area. Step into the kitchen. It's a cook's dream with its smart two-sided parallel layout and handy duct area. The first bedroom offers comfort with an attached bathroom for extra convenience. The living room is spacious and bright, perfect for family gatherings with a 6-seater dining space. Breathe in the fresh air from your private balcony, ideal for morning chai or evening relaxation. A well-designed common bathroom serves the rest of the home beautifully. The second bedroom is versatile, great for kids, guests, or even a home office. And the master bedroom? It's a true retreat with its generous size and luxurious attached bathroom. Excited? We are too. Give us a call or drop by our office in Thane. We'd love to show you around in person and help you make this house your home.